I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy options on interactive brokers. First, confirm your account has options trading permissions enabled, which typically requires a minimum of $2,000 in equity. Then, log into your trader workstation, or TWS, or the client portal. Once logged in, you'll access the main trading interface where you can begin your options journey. It's crucial to have these foundational steps completed before proceeding to select your desired contracts. Now let's find the option you want to trade. Start by entering the ticker symbol of the underlying asset like Apple or Tesla into the search bar. From the results, select the Options tab to view the option chain. Here, you'll see various expiration dates and strike prices. Carefully choose the expiration date that aligns with your strategy, perhaps 1 month out, and then pick your strike price, deciding if you want a call or a put option. With your option contract selected, it's time to place the order. Enter the number of contracts you intend to purchase. Remember, one contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Next, choose your order type. A limit order allows you to specify a maximum price, offering more control than a market order. Input your desired price, perhaps $2.50 per share, and then thoroughly review all the order details before clicking Submit to send your trade. After placing your order, it's essential to monitor your options positions. You can view all your open trades in the Portfolio or Activity section of your platform. Set up price alerts to notify you of significant movements or reminders for upcoming expiration dates. Many traders choose to close their positions before expiration to avoid the complexities of assignment or exercise. Always understand your potential profit and loss, which can be substantial with options, before making any adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.